Hi, good evening. My name's Mark, and here are my 5 new technologies. Well, the first one anyway. Okay, I've chosen, first one is Dropbox. Now, I've never used Dropbox before. I've always used Google Drive. Well, I have the last 2 years anyway, since I was technically aware. Okay, Dropbox. What can I say? Where am I? Let's have a look. Okay, it's free. Well, for 29 days only, so I suppose that covers the criteria. Fairly easy to use. Yeah, it's all good. All looks good. I chose it because I'd like a backup. I don't like all my eggs in one basket like they are with Google Drive at the moment. So I like a plan B. Living in Thailand, you always need a plan B. But yeah, it's pretty good. Fairly simple. Works well. And yeah, certainly consider using it. Benefits of using Dropbox. I've had a look around. Mobility, use it anywhere, it's free, easy to use. Yeah, security seems to be a bit better. Now that's one of the advantages over Google Drive. That's the only real advantage over Google Drive on research. So, but yeah, it's good. It does what it says on the tin, really. Backup, file sharing, collaboration. Retrieval, yeah, works without internet connection, same as Google Drive really, and you can work without the connection, and then just as soon as you're connected to Wi-Fi, it'll just update. So yeah, very simple to Google Drive. Advantages, yep, battle of Google Drive, the Dropbox. Dropbox wins only by security, as I previously said. But yeah, Plan Bs are always good. That is a good reason to use Dropbox. Standards, ITSC standards, I'd say Connected Learner 5B for education leaders. Professional learning network, share your files with your fellow teachers and fellow staff members. You're all on the same page, yeah, really? Let's look. It must be web-based, yep, not device-specific. Yeah, it seems to go. Why did I select it? Because I like a plan B. What was your purpose? Backup for my files, really. I'm always terrified of losing the work I've spent hours compiling on Google Drive, so Dropbox, yes, it's a good plan B. Intended audience, definitely co-workers, possibly parents even, yeah, co-workers are mainly. 2 ITSE standards, okay, B5A then as well, Connected Learner, emerging technologies, and as Dropbox improves really through time, which they all do, we can continue to be connected. So that's 5A and 5B, I'd say, the Connected Learner from the ITSE standards. How did I provide it, really? Signed up, followed the instructions, downloaded it, easy as that. Just use my Fort Hayes email address to actually register through Google, funnily enough. Okay, and that's it, probably well over 4 minutes, or I ramble a lot, so sorry about that. Have a nice evening, everyone. Take care.